Welcome to the NewsRamp Science Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, eager to share today's top business stories with you. NewsRamp.com selects the latest news from leading sources, ensuring you get the most pertinent information. A quick reminder, this podcast is created with the help of AI and AI voices, but the stories we cover are entirely real. You can find the full news articles. It's Wednesday evening, July 16th, 2025. And we've curated an intriguing lineup of science news for you today. So whether you're in transit, at the gym, or at home, join us as we begin. Starting off with our first headline. Genascence announces U.S. Food and Drug Administration grants Regenerative Medicine Advanced Therapy designation to GNSC001 for knee osteoarthritis, OA. Genascence Corporation announced that the U.S. Food and Drug Administration has granted the Regenerative Medicine Advanced Therapy designation to GNSC001 for the treatment of knee osteoarthritis. GNSC001 is a gene therapy designed to block interleukin-1, a key mediator in OA pathogenesis. This therapy offers long-term IL-1 inhibition with a single injection into the affected joint. The FDA's RMAT designation recognizes the potential of GNSC001 to transform OA treatment. Clinical trials have shown promising results, and Genascence plans to accelerate late-stage development to provide a new treatment option for those suffering from OA. Stay tuned for more updates on this groundbreaking therapy.
Metals Corp launches drilling program in Greenland to position Tanbreeze for commercial production. Metals Corp, a leading critical minerals mining company, has launched a 2,000-meter resource diamond drilling program at the Tanbreeze Rare Earth Project in Greenland. This program aims to boost the resource estimate ahead of Q4 2025 milestones, positioning the mine for commercial production expected in 2026. The drilling campaign targets to increase the size of the existing mineral resource estimate for the Fjord Udeolite deposit. The first drill hole has already shown promising results with medium-grained udeolite composition. Metals Corp's experienced Greenland drilling contractor, 60 North Greenland, is spearheading the program. The company remains on track to deliver final reports by Q4 2025, paving the way for commercial production to meet the growing demand for rare earth materials in the United States and the West.
Green energy breaks. Foremost Clean Energy Ltd, Nasdaq FMST, finalizes 100% ownership of Gene Lake lithium-gold project in Manitoba. Foremost Clean Energy Ltd, listed on Nasdaq as FMST and on CSE as FAT, has finalized 100% ownership of the Gene Lake lithium-gold project in Manitoba. The acquisition was completed with a final cash payment of $75,000 and the issuance of $75,000 in common shares to Mount Morgan Resources Ltd. The total purchase amounted to $250,000 in cash and 47,299 shares, meeting all exploration spend requirements. Initial drilling at the project site yielded promising results, including 7.50 grams per ton of gold over 7.66 meters and 1.26% lithium oxide over 3.35 meters. CEO Jason Barnard highlighted the project's potential amid high gold prices and expressed solidarity with Snow Lake residents and First Nations partners affected by wildfires. Study suggests herpes virus can be modified to fight advanced melanoma. Findings from a recent study suggest that the herpes virus can be modified into an effective treatment for some types of advanced melanoma. Researchers from the University of Southern California's Keck Medicine of USC conducted a clinical trial exploring the feasibility of using the cancer-fighting herpes virus against advanced skin cancers. Enterprises like Calidi Biotherapeutics, Inc. are also making progress in oncolytic virus research. This study is paving the way for potential new treatments in the fight against advanced melanoma. Survey results highlight new potential discovery for ESGold Corp, OTCQB EEUF at Quebec site. Survey results from ESGold Corp revealed a potential new discovery at the Quebec site. The survey went deeper than planned, mapping over 1,200 meters and uncovering district-scale geology resembling known mineral systems. This has expanded the exploration roadmap, targeting deeper mineralized lenses. ESGold is preparing to launch revenue generation strategies at the Montauban mine site while continuing gold and silver exploration. The recent ANT survey marks the first modern deep geophysics application at Montauban, signaling a new era of exploration. Investors can find updates on ESOF in the company's newsroom. For more information on Mining Newswire and its services, visit miningnewswire.com. GeoVax highlights growing urgency for diversified Mpox vaccine supply as global outbreaks expand. GeoVax Labs Inc. emphasizes the urgent need to expand global Mpox vaccine access as outbreaks increase. The European Medicines Agency supports a streamlined development pathway for the GeoMVA vaccine candidate through a single Phase 3 immunobridging trial. Clade 1 Mpox cases are spreading globally, with new detections in China, the UK, Italy, and the US. GeoVax's GeoMVA vaccine is positioned as a scalable alternative with EMA endorsement and plans for modernized manufacturing. The company is engaging with global stakeholders to enable rapid deployment of GeoMVA in current and emerging hotspots.
Adults with heart-healthy metrics had better health from head to toe. Research published in the Journal of the American Heart Association reveals that adults with ideal cardiovascular health, as measured by the American Heart Association's Life Simple 7 metrics, experience benefits beyond just heart health. These individuals were found to have a lower likelihood of amputation, dementia, eye disease, hearing loss, depression, cancer, and more. The review of nearly 500 studies over a decade showed that maintaining healthy lifestyle behaviors can positively impact overall health from head to toe. The updated cardiovascular health metric, now called Life's Essential 8, emphasizes the importance of factors like sufficient sleep. The findings underscore the significance of healthy lifestyle choices in promoting optimal health and well-being.
New book reveals China's global espionage operations. National security expert Nicholas Eftimiades has released the second edition of his book, Chinese Espionage, Operations and Tactics. This detailed analysis of China's global intelligence operations is based on over 855 documented cases. Eftimiades exposes how the Chinese Communist Party conducts economic espionage, covert influence, cyber theft, and trade secret theft, posing a significant challenge to U.S. security and business interests. The book is recommended for intelligence analysts, corporate security directors, and policymakers by William Evanina, former director of the National Counterintelligence and Security Center. Eftimiades, a 35-year U.S. intelligence veteran and Homeland Security professor at Penn State, provides insights on countering China's espionage strategy. Shinobi Enterprises, LLC, the world's first company dedicated to countering China's espionage, has trained over 1,000 counterintelligence officers and analysts, along with private industry insider threat and security professionals. From mechanism to pharmacokinetics, shaping the antibacterial drug development pathway with Creative Biolabs. Creative Biolabs emphasizes the importance of understanding antibacterial mechanisms and pharmacokinetics in drug development. By focusing on nucleic acid synthesis pathways, the company helps clients identify potential inhibitors through computational modeling and validate their activity in the laboratory. Additionally, Creative Biolabs offers systematic pharmacokinetic model construction services early in development to address absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion variables crucial to drug success. By advancing target mechanism elucidation and PK modeling in parallel, the company helps clients optimize dosage regimens and molecular structures, ultimately saving time and resources in the drug development process.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Science Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.